This steep grade demands a support tower right here.
We can run the line along this ridge to minimize impact.
Yes.
Precise grip design enables vehicles attaching and releasing from continuously moving cable, enabling safe, reliable operations.
Grip jaw fabrication machines harden steel jaws contacting cable during operation. Properly shaped jaws secure.
Wheel and axle fabrication produces precisely machined components. Wheel-clued flanges guiding vehicle along the rails.
Car body construction builds passenger compartment using traditional wooden frames or modern steel structures. Design balance.
That joint is solid. Now we start on the bracing here.
All right, I'll fetch the next piece of oak.
Steel frame fabrication constructs modern car bodies using welded structures. Contemporary construction improves strength and durability.
Wall panel installation covers the frame with exterior siding, creating a weatherproof enclosure. Traditionally wooden.
Window installation mounts openable windows providing ventilation during mild weather. Large windows offer passengers excellent views while traveling through scenic urban or mountain landscapes.
Are you comfortable, Margaret? That looked quite complex.
Perfectly fine, Eleanor. This new seating is really quite something.
Destination sign installation mounts manual or electronic displays indicating route and direction.
Wheel brake assembly mounts friction devices applying force to steel wheels. Manually operated wheel brakes provide supplementary stopping capability, particularly when vehicle detached from moving cable.
230-35.2 buff. Track brake installation position class gripping track rails direct offensive.
Emergency brake mechanism construction builds automatic safety devices activating if cable breaks or grip fails. Fail-safe.
Brake shoe manufacturing produces friction materials contacting wheels or rails. Specialized compounds provide adequate friction without
Electric 30 and store bins. Handbrake installation mounts mechanical parking brake, preventing vehicle movement when stopped.
Undercarriage equipment mounting secures brake components and grip mechanism beneath passenger floor. Protected mounting locations.
Paint application applies traditional liveries, maintaining historic appearance. Distinctive color schemes become iconic symbols of
Modern safety upgrades retrofit contemporary safety equipment into heritage vehicles. Careful integration of modern brakes.
Funicular car manufacturing produces paired vehicles for inclined plane railways, balanced vehicles connected by cable, and
I can't believe how high we are already. And the seats don't tilt at all. It's so smooth.
Counterweight system integration balances paired funicular cars. Precisely calculated weights optimize system efficiency.
We've stopped here. Can you tell us what is happening?
We are aware of the stop, sir. Everything is secure. Please remain in the carriage.
fire suppression equipment installation positions, extinguishers, and detection systems. Fire safety equipment
Accessibility modifications add wheelchair lifts or low-floor designs accommodating disabled passengers. Thoughtful
Climate control installation adds heating systems for winter operations. Electric or propane heaters. Properly designed doors balance security and safety with operational efficiency, enabling rapid passenger exchange at stops.
Pneumatic system integration installs compressed air equipment operating doors and brakes. Air compressors and reservoirs provide reliable pneumatic power.
Hydraulic system installation provides fluid power for specialized equipment. Hydraulic systems may operate wheelchair.
Attention passengers. This is an emergency. Please remain calm and follow the illuminated pathway to the evacuation.
Dynamic testing operates vehicles on test track, evaluating ride quality and system performance. 235.53. Safety certification testing demonstrates compliance with transit quads.
Quality inspection examines craftsmanship and specification compliance. Detailed inspection ensures delivery.
The restoration maintains authentic appearance and character. It meets the heritage authenticity standards.
And the documentation collection provides operating instructions, maintenance procedures, and parts.
Pay close attention to this gauge on the steep grades. Maintain pressure above 235.57.
Yes, instructor.
We are clear on the next block, sir.
Ensure the grip adjustment is within the specified tolerance.
Yes, instructor. We checked the torque settings here.
And the brake fluid levels are optimal.
235.59. Spare parts provision establishes inventory supporting ongoing.
Cable manufacturing produces specialized wire ropes for traction service. Multi-strand construction provides flexibility and
Cable socketing creates terminal fittings attaching cable to drive machinery. Precision casting embeds wire rope ends. 235.62. Sheave manufacturing produces grooved wheels guiding cable throughout the system. Precise groove.
Tensioning equipment installation maintains proper hinge operations.
Goal 235.05. Cable splicing equipment joins individual lengths, creating
turn off when manufactures track sections, enabling vehicles bypassing continuously moving cable. Complex track work and cable support systems allow vehicles coasting through stations.
Turntable fabrication builds rotating platforms, reversing vehicles at terminals, manually or electrically operated.
Cable slot construction forms longitudinal opening in street pavement accommodating moving cable. Properly constructed slots prevent
Conduit system construction builds underground cable pathway. Enclosed conduits protect moving cable from debris and weather.
All right, ma'am, nice and slow. Watch your footing on this section.
We've got the line secure down here, just a few more steps.
Control, this is Van 7. We have an obstruction on the I-5 northbound, requesting immediate reroute.
Copy that, Van 7. Stand by for new directions. Monitor equipment, installation position, sensors, tracking cable speed and tension. Continuous monitoring detects abnormality.
Historical significance preservation maintains operating cable car systems as cultural relations and
San Francisco Legacy celebrates iconic cable car system, operating since 1873, 3 remaining.
Tourism attraction status generates significant visitor interest and economic impact. Heritage cable car systems become
UNESCO recognition acknowledges cultural importance of historic cable car systems. Museum preservation maintains retired cable cars, documenting technology evolution. Museum collections.
Operating museum functions combine preservation with active transit service.
Functioning historic systems serve both.
This adjustment right here ensures the winding mechanism engages smoothly.
Ah, I see. So that keeps it running for the next generation.
As you can see, the interlocking teeth of the winding mechanism are incredibly precise. This design is why the
Modern applications explore new uses for cable car technology. Contemporary projects adapt proven technology.
So, ski area inspiration draws from alpine lift technology. Cable car principles developed for mountain resorts influence.
Technological connections between street cable cars and overhead systems. Shared principles of cable traction unite.
Funicular applications serve steep hillsides where cable cars impractical. Inclined plane railways employ similar cable tipsel.
Innovation potential explores modern adaptations including automated operation and new applications. Contemporary and
235.9. Grade climbing enables slopes defeating conventional vehicles. Cable systems safely.
Weather performance maintains operations during conditions challenging other transit modes. Cable traction
Okay, the tension on the main pulley is set.
Good. Let's check the cable run right here. Looks solid.
Verified.
Low emissions operation provides environmentally friendly transportation option. Electric-powered cable systems.
Establishing these distinctive vehicles as beloved symbols creates a strong emotional connection, representing our local character and heritage.
Teams. Real estate impact influences property values near cable car lines. Proximity to romantic historic transit service enhances
influence. Film and media appearances feature cable cars as iconic backdrops. Frequent appearance in movies and television establishing
Operational challenges include maintenance intensity and weather vulnerability, labor-intensive operations, and mechanical complexity.
We cannot sacrifice the historical integrity of this building.
But we must consider the operating costs and the need for modern accessibility.
Cost considerations acknowledge expensive operations requiring subsidies or premium fares. Cable car systems rarely achieve financial self-sufficiency.
2E5 HD.351 Safer demonstrating directional vehicle please.
This schematic mentions a historical exemption for the braking system.
That's correct. We have the original order right here in the binder. Accessibility challenges limit disabled Hispanic passenger accommodation on historic vehicles. Heritage preservation.
They always close down for heavy snow or mechanical problems. It's so frustrating for us dependent on this service.
Operations. Periodically install new wire rope. Major undertaking. System shutdown.
Track rehabilitation renews rails and underground cable infrastructure. Periodic renewal maintains proper alignment and cable support.
235.1009. Vehicle overhaul programs comprehensively rebuild car bodies and
mechanisms. Maintains specialized knowledge required operating systems. Apprenticeship programs transfer unique skills.
Parts fabrication capability manufactures obsolete components no longer commercially available. Specialized machine shop capability.
235.122. Documentation preservation maintains historical records and
These early designs show remarkable foresight in the tensioning system.
But how does that translate to the modern asymmetrical?
International cooperation connects these systems worldwide, sharing knowledge.
We facilitate information exchange about
Together we are building the political support needed to ensure these cable cars run for generations to come.
This preservation demonstrates the cultural value and tourism benefits that justify public investment in our historic transportation system.
Alternative funding explores creative revenue sources supporting operations, advertising, special events, and premium tourist fare.
Charter operations provide special event service, generating additional revenue. Private charters for weddings and parties.
That's $52. Thank you. Your purchase helps support the museum's preservation efforts.
Economic impact studies quantify tourism value, justifying preservation investment, demonstrating sustainability argument positions cable cars as green transportation. zero-emission electric operation, and
Engineering inspiration influences contemporary transportation solutions.
Scopes of Ravi College. Educational value, thanks to analytical engineering fundamentals, visible machinery and simple training, excellenceables.
Look, this is where we used to stop for the festival. It looks just the same as when I was your age.
Cultural significance transcends transportation function, becoming community symbols. Cable cars represent civic identity and heritage.
Look at that view of the city. Yeah!
It's beautiful, isn't it? I haven't ridden this in years.